Hello everyone, today we will be creating this responsive parallax scrolling effect using HTML and CSS and no JavaScript. So this is what we will be creating in this video. And don't forget guys, I'm sharing the source code in my Git repo. So link will be in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's see the responsiveness. This is 514. Let's get started. First of all, take the basics code, press shift exclamation tab. Now we are going to link our CSS, and my CSS is named css.css. css.css. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to create a div element. Okay. So div enter dot div is going to be image. Sorry guys, it shouldn't be there. Image. This one. Just leave it at a div. Div is going to have class of what's happening? Div is going to have a class is going to be image. Oh my god, image parallax image. Okay, parallax. Okay, parallax. It's going to be a parallax image 1. Okay, now we are going to close it, enter. We are going to have a h1 that is going to say parallax. Okay, we are going to have 3 p elements, paragraphs 3, need 3, and both going to have lorem ipsum. Lorem and another lorem. Now we are going to copy this 3 times. Okay, times. Now we are going to change 2 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Okay, parallax image 3, parallax image 2, parallax image 1. This is for the HTML. Now let's see how it looks. It looks quite alright, but we don't need it like this. We need the parallax. Okay, so now we go to code our CSS. First we need to have a root. Okay. Root is going to be background color is going to be, later I will change it. do this. Now let's do background, just background. It's going to be maybe the blenched arm. This both of the colors look the same. I'll use better. Now we enter. Now we're going to have the asterisk. We're going to have margin of 0, padding of 0. Okay. If we are going to have box sizing, box sizing is going to be border box. Okay, and we are going to have a body. Okay, over here, body. Body is going to be font family. Font family. Font family is going to be, guys, Poppins. Oh no, we'll do sans serif. Sans is good. Oh, serif is better. Okay, we'll see how its serif looks. Quite alright, but we'll change it. So serif. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add something called height. Just height. Height is going to be 100 viewport height to make it responsive. Next, we are going to have a grid. Display grid. Display is going to be grid. Enter. And place item. Okay. Enter. Place items is going to be center. Okay, and be center. Close it. No need that space. Now we are going to have parallax image. Now we are going to have dot. We are going to have parallax image equals image, guys. Okay, the image and curl bracket center. Display is going. Oh my god! Display. Yeah, without it. What's happening is that display is going to be block. Next, we are going to have a height. Height is going to be 58.75 rem. Okay, guys. Now we are going to have width. Going to be 100%, and we are going to have background size is going to be cover, and we're going to have background attachment. It's going to be fixed. We're going to have background position. Background position is going to be center. Okay, so this is it for the parallax images. Now we're going to code our parallax, the main ones. So dot, we're going to take what we have done here. parallax 1. What's that? PPP, the parallax. No, we need parallax. Enter, and we're going to have background image. Okay, background image is going to be URL, and we're going to have the image. First image, let's do D. Okay, and we're going to copy this 3 times because we have 3 elements. 3. Oh, sorry. Not the way I wanted. 1, 2. Come bit. It's way better. So D is going to be E, and this is going to be G. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 3. Enter. Now we are going to have a section element. Okay, section is going to be padding. Going to have padding of 4 rem, not much. Next we are going to copy it. Enter. But section, this time section is going to have a H2 now. So H2 is going to be H2 is going to have text transformation is going to be uppercase. And guys, last but not least, we're going to have last is going to be margin. This is going to be not margin at top, it's going to be margin bottom. Margin bottom is going to be 1.5 rem. Alright guys, so this is it for the CSS, and we have done our HTML. Guys, now let's go and we will see our final outcome. Okay, this is the first image. Here we go. Nice. So it works. Now we'll see whether it's responsive. Yes, it's responsive. Yep, that's it for this today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content and for more longer videos. So I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Bye.